Chris here with 2-Bit Da Vinci. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a tomahawk steak, that's just a ribeye with a bone in it, on the big green egg. So check it out. So first you're going to want to go ahead and pick up a tomahawk steak. Costco's got beef ribeyes with the bone in, and they're delicious. So go ahead and unwrap. And we're gonna season generously with salt and pepper, not only on both sides, but on the edges as well. And go ahead and let it rest and let it get to room temperature. Don't kill yourself. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and fire up the big green egg and with some lump charcoal, and we'll go ahead and get our grates positioned, and then we're gonna go ahead and get the lid closed. Let that get up to about, around 500 degrees. Make sure the bottom vent and top vent are both open. And once you're up to temperature and you've got a nice even bed of coals, you're ready to go. So go ahead and put that steak. We're going to do about 6 minutes per side, maybe 7. We can see one side's complete. If you get flare-ups, just go ahead and move that steak around and close the bottom vents if needed. You don't want the flare-ups to be too bad. Right here is right on the edge, but it's looking good. And we're going to go ahead and finish that up. It's now kind of on the final stretch. And what I like to do is I like to do the edges. That's right, the edges get that little crispiness, so go ahead and use the edge of the big green egg, stand it up on the edge about 1 minute to 2 minutes per edge or per side. And then we're gonna go ahead and put it into some aluminum foil, bring it inside and slather it with I like to use some salted butter. And then just go ahead and wrap up the aluminum foil, and you're gonna want to let that sit for about 7-8 minutes. Once it's done, unwrap and slice. And you will see, if you like it medium rare, look at that, it's just awesome. And now it's time to enjoy right off the cutting board if you really want to, which is what somebody did. I'm not going to say who, but that's how you do a tomahawk steak on the big green egg.